Hi everyone, and welcome back to Anita Inspires. In today's video, we're going to be doing some spring and Easter DIYs. So you can change up your sign any way you want. I have the Ray Dunn type of font that I like, and I found these little items at the Dollar Tree. You can leave it as is, change out the little feet off of the sign, and change the little beads on it to any color that you want that goes with your coordination for any of the seasons as they change. Or I can change up this and put the little gingham one that I have instead, and as such, either this way or I can put it up on the top. Either way, it's gonna look amazing. So right now I am starting my wreath. I am placing all of my eggs around where I want them to be, and I'm gonna start gluing it. Finish gluing all of the eggs double so they won't fall off on the back as well as underneath. And I'm just gonna let it dry, and then I'm gonna start placing all of the greenery on it. So I just glued to the back the little cubes on it. I couldn't remove the sharpener, but it's okay because it anchored it onto it so it could stay a little better. And this is my end result for my crazy Dr. Seuss week hat day. Little bonus.